Back again, back again. Still out here in this beautiful nature. Just trying to suck up all this good energy. Uh, been going through a lot lately. It's been quite a bit of a roller coaster. But I don't know. I feel very enlightened by this whole situation. And being that I'm a spiritual person, I'm just going through the motions of just transitioning. About to basically get ready for what's next, my next steps. Um, Definitely a learning experience. Um, Basically, this is just gonna be certain. This is me showing other people the way, showing other people, letting people know that things happen for a reason. They don't just happen just to happen. That don't ever forget how you're a human being. You're a human being. And you're just having a human experience. You're a spiritual being. You're just having a human experience that this too shall pass. So we all gotta just keep going. You know, we all gotta keep going. We all gotta keep it moving. We all have a life purpose that we have to get done. We all gotta shed a whole bunch of parts of us. I don't even know how much more shedding I'm gonna have to do, but I'm pretty sure this is gonna be this is gonna be it for me. Once this really gets out in the world, really sees this is that's it. Be illuminating, showing you guys the way, showing you guys a lot of the truth, because this world is definitely not what it seems. At least from the experience I just experienced with the justice system and how the justice system sees a lot of stuff. So, excuse my appearance. It's gonna get better. Watch. But yeah. Just again, just feel the need to share some more. It's like I have a lot to say, but then I get on here and I gotta figure this out. I'm also trying to get used to this because I gotta step out of my comfort zone. Gotta get used to being in this camera. Gotta get this message out there to the world by any means. So yeah, y'all get ready. Y'all just be prepared. Some of the stuff y'all might not understand, and it's cool. A lot of this I didn't understand, but coming into the understanding is very, very you don't know what to do. You think that you kind of like lost, but you kind of finding more of yourself and what you want to do. So, all right, you guys, stay up, stay blessed. I love you. Take it easy.